स्ट्रोक इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन न्यूरोलॉजिकल कंडीशन जिसको हम लोग आम भाषा में लकवा या पैरालिसिस भी कहते हैं. इट अकर्स whenever there is a disruption of blood supply to the brain. There are certain risk factors for stroke that includes diabetes, hypertension, cardiac diseases, high cholesterol levels, smoking, alcohol consumption and lack of physical activity along with obesity. There are certain non-modifiable risk factors also that includes age and family history. Almost 80% of the strokes are preventable. What we need to do for that is to control your diabetes, control your hypertension, take your medications regularly, do at least 30 minutes walk every day for at least 5 days a week and increase the proportion of fruits and vegetables in your diet and reduce the consumption of carbohydrates. What to do when you spot a stroke? First, you need to identify whether patient is having stroke and how you can identify that. If somebody around you is having sudden loss of balance, sudden difficulty in speaking, sudden loss of vision, and there is facial deviation, or there is weakness of arms or legs. Also, every minute when stroke occurs, brain loses around 19 lakh brain cells. So every minute is important in the treatment of stroke. Patient has to be rushed to the nearest hospital with facility of CT, MRI or a neurologist, so he can be treated with the medicines that are available and he can have a life free of disability. Coming to the treatment of stroke, in immediate phase, there is a clot buster medicine that can be given to the patient up to 4.5 hours so that patient stroke can be treated. If patient comes later on, then there are certain procedures through which clot can be removed from the blood vessels of brain and patient can be freed from the disability that he might have in case he does not get treated. So we at Ojas Super Speciality Hospitals have all the facilities for treatment of stroke, including clot buster medicines and clot removal procedures. So we are a stroke ready hospital. Thank you.